Hello and welcome. In my previous video, I showed you how to take care of the simpler problems with the corners of this rusty old water tower here. We got that fixed. And this one, we're going to take care of this issue with this mess here. So the first thing I want to do is I want to simplify the view a little bit. So I'm going to do Control plus sign on the keyboard and select all the verts or vertices in that thing and do a Control I to invert selection and do a hide to hide all. And so the stuff we had was, let's just take a peek at how bad this really was. I'm going to delete some of these faces here. Show you how messed up this is. Okay, so you can see right there, there's a face there and another face right next to it. And that just keeps getting worse. I mean, got faces on top of faces. So after much studying, the mechanism I came up with to fix this is, let's do this. We don't do the circle select often enough. To get rid of everything. Oh, we didn't have the X-ray going on here. Let's do an Alt-Z to get X-ray modes. Okay, circle C, or C to select it. And then you have to hit Enter to get out of that and delete all the verts. Great. Got that stuff cleaned up. Go into Edge Select mode and select this edge loop and that edge, whoops, and that edge loop. Control E to bridge edge loops. Hopefully you can see where I'm going here. Okay, now we still have overlapping faces, as you can go into face select mode here. Come on, get into it. So you get the faces that are overlapping. So to solve that problem is to do some knife cuts. So we're going to do a K. And then down here, you'll see this little menu down here of the options. And I want to do a cut through. So type C to turn that on right below my cursor there. And do a drag it across. Left mouse button, click left mouse button again. Right click to start another one. Left click to drag it across. Left click again, right click to start another one, left click to drag it across, left click, and then do a enter. And let's see, did we get them all? Yes, we did. We got cut through. Okay, now we go into vertices select mode. And I'm going to pick, so let's turn off the X-ray view there. GG, and drag that vertice down to that junction. Then left click on that one and do an M, merge at first. Do this one, GG, drag it down. This guy, M, merge at first.
GG, drag it down, select this one, at first. GG. This one at first.
And this one at first. Now, what do we have? Have a nice face there, a face here, there. Obviously, I haven't fixed this part here, but we got that one fixed, and that one, that one. What about the insides here, edges? Nope, have to do. Oh, that will get taken care of when we do the back side. Let's go ahead and do the back side of this thing. Okay, did we fix everything? Fixed, 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 fixed. How about the sides? Yes, that takes care of it. All right, so basically do is repeat that thing on each of the other face, on the other little areas, like this one here, for instance, and this one, and this one. So hopefully that's going to show you how to fix these complicated messes. Um, that's what I got for you this time, and I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed learning about it, and see you again next time. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.